Hi everyone. So now we're going to talk about division of line into ratios. Previously we talked about midpoint, which divides the line segment equally into two parts, so 1:1 ratio. So now we could be dividing a line into like 3:2 ratio. Okay, that's what we are going to do now. A lot of students find that this topic is a bit difficult because the formula there it's a bit confusing. You have two numbers to kind of like play around there. So it's very important for you to pay attention to this class. Okay, division of line into ratio. We have line, okay, then we have point A and point B. And we have something in middle that is given by the ratio of M to N. Okay, so I got this. So the ratio is M to N. Okay, ACCB is equals to M to N. Okay, M to N is some numbers. Okay, the point C divides the line AB internally. Okay, actually you have something about dividing a line internally and externally, but in SPM we only learn about internally. Okay, divide a line internally. Okay, so which is given by something like this one in the middle only. Okay, then if AC to CB, the ratio is given by M to N, then you have C, this coordinate is given by this complex formula, like I said. Okay, a lot of students very afraid of this. Okay, so nothing really difficult here. Okay, so what you're going to see here is mx2, oh, mx2, and x1 and x1. So you see the pattern here, it's like cross and cross. Okay, for the x coordinate, then we focus on the x coordinate first. Cross to this side and this one cross to this side, you add them up. After adding them up, you need to remember to divide by the sum of this part. Okay, so you get a ratio. So that's what you do here. So for the other part, you do the same thing, exact same thing for the x coordinate, but now you only focus on the y coordinate. So my2 plus ny1 and y2 plus ny1 divided by the sum of the ratio here. Alright, that's quite simple, right? Okay, so just remember this. This is M, this is N, this is a point, this is a point, this one cross, this one cross. Okay, cross coordinate by coordinate. Okay, good. So here we got AC to CB is M to N, and then this one is one way to represent it. This is the second way to represent it. This is in ratio form. This is in division form. Okay, so you can view these two, this one ratio as division. Okay, divide. Okay, this one very important. These two must remember how to do it. Okay, so let's look at something here. Okay, you have A and B. Find the point C which divides AB internally into ratio 2:3. So what you need to do is to here is to draw a line A to B. Okay, line of course extend infinitely, but we just need to talk about AB. Okay, then C is in the middle, and AB is divided internally into 2:3. So 2, 3. This is C. C divides AB into 2:3. AC to CB is 2:3. Okay, so you got this one. Now, what do you need to do? So I just write down the coordinate here. It's 1 and 5. And I just write down the coordinate here is -4 and 7. And again, I'm telling you that I'm drawing this line. It's not following this order and this thing on the plane itself. Okay, I'm just drawing to illustrate how does it look like. You don't have to draw like, oh, 1, 5, I have to draw the xy plane and like get the exact point there. Okay, you don't do that. You just want to get a rough idea what does it look like. Okay, so now what do I need to do? I need to do this one cross to this side, okay, on the x-axis, and this 3 cross to this side for the x coordinate. So now the point C is equals to here 2 times -4, then plus 3 times 1. then you have to remember to divide by the sum of the ratio, 2 plus 3. Okay, then I comma. So this part for the x coordinate I'm done. So next will be 2 times 7 cross over to the other side, 7 plus 3 times 5 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay, I'm done. So let's just get this done and we get our answers. So negative 8 plus 3, so negative 5 divided by 5. And here 14 plus 15, 29. Okay, 14 plus 15, 29 divided by 5. So my answer will be negative 1, 29 over 5. Okay, no problem. 2, 7 and 3, 15. Okay, right. So you get the answer. So negative 1, 29 over 5 is your answer. Okay, simple. Okay, this one is very important. You gotta pay attention to this slide. Okay, because the question can be giving you something differently. Okay, maybe it can give you something in terms of ratio, which is this one. Maybe it can tell you, oh, AC divided by BC is equal to M divided by M. And again, it can tell you like AC is equal to 5 BC or 2 AC is equal to 5 BC. So what does it mean? Okay, so let's look at this. Some example here. So let's say you have 5 AC is equal to 3 CB. Then I can write it in that form, right? I can change it to that form, okay? So meaning that if the question gives you this 5 AC is equal to 3 CB, okay, then I can write what? I want to know the ratio, correct? In order to construct the diagram just now. I want to know the ratio in order to construct the diagram just now. That's why I draw the line and I just want to know ratio and ratio. If I'm given in this form, it's not very friendly. So I want to know ratio, so I go for division, then change it back to ratio. Division AC divided by CB is equal to, you move the terms over, is 3 over 5. Then I can, from here, get this 3 to 5 from here. Great. Then the diagram I can draw in this way. A, B, middle is C, then it's 3 to 5. This is 3, this is 5. Okay. Of course, the scale, this one should be like towards that side. Okay, for B, let's see. AC is equal to 3 over 4 CB. Then AC over CB is equal to 3 over 4. Then AC CB is equal to 3 to 4 ratio. Then I can draw this. Then 3 to 4. Okay, no problem. Next one, 5 AC is equal to 7 CB. Okay, I feel if you know this one, you should know this one. Easy, right? This one, if you know, of course, you don't have to do anything of this, right? If you are given this one, or something like this one, or something like this one, that's the most difficult that you can get already. Okay, maybe it will be rephrased in words. Okay, it doesn't matter. You just have to decipher right in this form. After you write in this form, then you change it to this form, division form. Okay, all right. This one AC divided by CB, just move it over. This one 5, move it over, 7 over 5. And then you get AC to CB is equal to 7 to 5. Ratio is this. Then I'll just sketch this one, a rough one. Okay. In the exam, you would of course let this one be longer. Okay, so that you have a feeling of that. Oh, this side is slightly longer. So after you get the answer, see whether it matches the whether it makes sense or not. All right. Okay, if the point 63 divides PQ into ratio 2 to 5, given that P is this, Q is XY, so meaning that XY is not given to you anymore. So what do you have to do? You have to find XY. So we sketch, draw a diagram. So PQ, P is here. Coordinate of P, do you know? Yes, 4 and 5. Then Q is here. Q, do you know the coordinate? Don't know. It's X, Y. Okay. Then 2 to 5, ratio 2 to 5. So I draw it here, like slightly towards here. This is 2, this is 5, and this point is called what? This point divides into 2, 5. I didn't say anything. So so here it's just 2 to 5. It doesn't matter. So I get my m and n already. I don't need to know the point in the middle. Okay. The point in the middle is the point 6, 3. I don't have to name it. Okay, to be r or something. Okay, I got this one. That's why. So I can write this 6, 3 is equals to, we do the cross again, right? 2x, then 5 times 4. Okay, 2x plus 5 times 4. Okay, I write 20, can I? 20 divided by the sum of the ratio, which is 7. Okay, then the other one is what? 2y. 2y. 2y 5 times 5 plus 25 divided by 7. Okay, is equals to 6 and 3. Then what do I do? So 6 is equals to 2x plus 20 divided by 7. Hence 42 minus 20, 22 divided by 2, 11. So x is 11. Okay, so next 3 is equal to 2y plus 25 divided by 7. Okay, answer will be 21 minus 25 is negative 4. Okay, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Y is equal to negative 2. Okay, let's just verify this, see whether I did it correctly. Okay, x, I put it here, 22 plus 20, 42. Okay, divided by 7 is 6. Okay, that is. Then here, 2, negative 2, put it here, negative 4. 25 minus 4 is 21. Divided by 7 is 3. You get the answer? Yes, you get an answer. Means that the coordinate for Q is Q 11, negative 2. Great. I think I'm doing well. I think you are doing well as well. Okay. Okay, so now I can actually clear this. If you need any of this information, anyway, you can pause the video and just rewind it. Okay, just show you this. It should be drawn like this. Okay, just now I draw it already. I have shown you. Okay, answer is 11 and negative 2. Okay. Okay, so Q 0, 4 divides AB into ratio 2 to m. I don't know what is m. So if A is this, B is this. So another constant here, another like variable here, you have to find m and p. So I draw it right here. A is here, B is here, Q is here, and ratio is 2 and m. Now, oops, sorry. Okay, you got this one. So I want to find m and p. What do I do? Middle point, I write 0, 4 is equals to, I do a cross. So 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 2m. And divided by the total ratio, m plus 2. Then comma. Then another one is what? 2 times p. 2p. Then m 3m plus 3m divided by m plus 2 again. Okay, is equals to this thing here. And which one is easier to solve? Of course, this one, right? One variable. Okay, so we look for this one first. This thing is equal to 0, meaning that this one multiply over. Okay, you get 0. So top will be this. Okay, I'll just write down for you in case you don't know what I'm saying. So divided by m plus 2 is equal to 0. Move it over, you still get 0. So 2m is equal to 10. M is equal to 5. If m is equal to 5, okay, so good. So I sub it in here. So it's 2p plus 5, I put it here. So it's 15 divided by this one. 5 plus 2, 7 is equals to 4. Okay, so I didn't make any calculation mistake. This is 7. This is 15 plus 2p. So you got this one. Okay, so you get 22p plus 15 is equal to 28. So 2p is equals to 13. P is equal to 13 over 2. Okay, so you found your M, you found your P, and that's your answer. Okay, no problem. Okay, great. Example 4. So you have this one here. Find the ratio AB to BC. Do you notice that it looks a bit difficult here, right? Okay, if you can, pause the video and try this one. Okay, it's a little bit difficult. It looks like a bit difficult, but actually it's something that you don't have to do. Okay, right? Just try this one, and we'll come back to talk about this. Okay, now find the ratio AB to BC is M to N. Okay, so by the formula, so now AB BC is M to N. By formula, I got what? I got this 6 2R is the point in somewhere here along the line. Okay, so I use the cross one here cross to here, here cross that, and I get this one over here. Then what do? I can try to solve for one side. I solve for this side. Okay, why I do that side? It's because here you notice that there's a H here. Okay, if you have a H and an M and N, then there's no way for you to find the ratio. Okay, now you can't directly get the ratio, right? If you want to get the ratio, you don't do that. You do AB divided by BC, right? That's what you want to find. Okay, so from here, okay, AB to BC is M to N, meaning that if you found M divided by N is what, then you know what's AB to BC. Okay, so from here, what can you do? You can move everything to one side, or you can just leave one side is M, one side is N. So now you can see very clearly that AB to BC is M to N, is 2 to 1. Do you see that? Okay, why? It's because 2M is equal to 4N. What do you want? You want M divided by N, correct? Okay, I move the N over, becomes divides. I move the 2 over, becomes divides. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. What does the 2 means? 2 means 2 divided by 1. Okay, so M to N is 2 to 1. Hence, M to N is equal to AB to BC. So AB to BC, M to N is 2 to 1. Okay, so I'm not using this part at all because this one there's a H. It doesn't help me. Okay, so this question very important. Possible to be in your SPM. Okay, so you gotta remember how to do this. Okay, since you try already, I guess you're fine. Okay, next one. I want to find H now. Just now we already know what's M and N, and it's given by 2 to 1. So I can use that to actually find this. If you can find the ratio of M and N, then finding this H is not a problem. Okay, basically you just plug it into this formula, the one that we showed just now, and we don't have to sub in both sides, correct? Because we want to have H here. We want to find the H here. So we only need to substitute on the Y coordinate and compare with this Y coordinate, then we get our answer. And we get that one. Yeah, so we just extract this side of the information. Okay, this side, if you don't write, you can don't write. Okay, then you get that. And H will be just 1. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2H is equal to 2. So H is equals to 1. Right. Great, you're doing well. Okay, so B divides AC such that AB to BC is 3 to 2. Show that A plus 5B plus 6 is equals to 0. Like I said, whenever you have proving these kind of things, you don't care. Okay, you just write down what does this one tell you. Okay, change these words into something like equations, then you get that automatically. Okay, so let's do this. Now I have to do this. This is 3, this is 2. It's not written in the question, so I write in the question here. So AB, so K0 is equals to, I cross it over, 12, then plus 2A divided by total, so it's 5. Then the other one is what? 3K over 3. So that's just k. Okay, then plus 2b divided by 5. Then that is your thing here. So you want to try to look for the things that that will give you this kind of things. So what do you need? So I try to do this. So 5k, I write down for you, 12 plus 2a divided by 5 is equal to k. And here 0. So I tell k plus 2b is equal to 0. Okay, I kind of want to sub this one into this one. It's easier that way, correct? I feel that it's easier, but actually both ways it's the same. Okay, or you can directly put this one here. Okay, I'll just do this one if you want. So 12 plus 2a divided by 5 plus 2b is equals to 0. I multiply both sides by 5. Then I'll get 12 plus 2a plus 10b is equals to 0. Hence, if I divide both sides, by 2, so I'll get a. This one divide after division is 5b, and this 12 I put it to the last one. 12 divided by 2 it's 6. So you get 0, and that's your answer. This is this. Okay, like I said, you don't have to care about what to prove. You care about what is the information given. Okay? Okay, great. Example 6. You have A is 3k, 6k, B is 2a, 6b, and C is a, 2b. It looks very difficult. C divides line AB into ratio 1 to 4. Express B in terms of A. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. You got this one? Then you have 1 to 4. Okay? AC, CB is 1 to 4. What does it mean? Meaning that you do the cross, you get this one. Okay? Add up is 5, so it's 5 down there. So you get this one. And then you can solve it like part by part. So this one is for that A, okay? And the other part is for the B. Okay, so this one I solve first. K is equal to A04. Then I solve for the other part as well. Okay, I got this one, B. Solve for it. So I got this one. So I need to express B in terms of A. So I find K first, K in terms of A. I put it back to eliminate the K. So this is something like in your chapter 4, right? Okay, solving simultaneous equations, and put the K into here, and you get B is equal to this, which gives you the answer B is equals to 3 over 2a. Okay, if there's any problem, then just look at it. Okay, see whether it's fine or not, the explanation here. Okay, guess you are fine. Okay, right, homework. So I should just give you some space to just write down the homework and pause the video to write down the homework. So first one here, you are given that AB line, this one extends to point C such that AB, AC is 1 to 4. Find coordinate of C. Like I said, always sketch the diagram first before doing anything. Extends, so means AB is here. Extend to C, so I got this 1 to 4. So AB to AC is 1 to 4. So I have to say that AB, BC is 1 to 3. Okay, that's something that you need to take note of. Okay, then what we do here? Okay, so 3, 8 is equals to cross and cross. So I got this one. Add them up is 4. So the main point is this one, not this one. This one is very simple. Just follow the formula and you get the answer. Okay. So I compare coordinate by coordinate. I get this one. Solve for it. I get this. Coordinate by coordinate. I get this one, and I get this. Okay, that's your answer. Great. Coordinate for C is 15 and 17. Okay, second one. Find the ratio between about AB to BC. So AB to BC. So again, it's given like M to N, and there's another variable here. So what do we need to do here for the first part here? We need to write down this. okay, AB to BC is m to n. Then we apply the formula, okay, cross, cross. So you get this one, okay. It's not difficult, right? 11n, then 11m, then 3n, then m plus n below. Okay. Similarly for the y coordinate. And what we do here is that we don't care about this side, because this side there's a k, there's an additional variable that we do not want to disturb. Okay. So we just want m and n here. So we talk about the x coordinate only. So 6 is equal to this part, and we have to solve for this. Multiply both sides. This one cross multiply to the other side. So you get 6m plus 6n is equal to 11 plus 3n. Then I move m to one side, n to one side. So I get 5m is equal to 3n. So what you want to find? You want to find the ratio of m to n. Hence, you can find the ratio of AB to BC. So now you want m divided by n. Then m divided by n, as you see from there, 3 to 5. And you get your ratio. AB to AC is m to n. That's what you wrote. Okay. Then it's 3 to 5. Okay. That's quite simple. Very important. This question again, very important. Okay. Okay. Find k. Just now we found m and n. Then what we can do, we can plug it in to the formula. Okay. We got this one already from the previous part. We can plug it into the things that we wrote just now in terms of m and n. Then we plug it in. Then now we don't need to care about this part already, because this part is just equals to 6. You don't care. You need to find k here. So this part is the thing that you want. So if you want to substitute, you can substitute this part, then it's sufficient. Okay, write down. Then you can see that 40 is equal to 3k plus 10. So k is just equals to, oops, yeah, k equal to 10. Because 30, then 3k is equal to 30. So k is equal to 10. All right, no problem. Okay, last. Point C 14 over 3 divides the line segment joining the point H2 and 8K. So internally, so such that AB is equal to 3AC. So it's given in this form already. So you have to change it to the other form that you are familiar with. Find the values of H and K. So you get this one, AC, AB. So if you write AB is equal to 3AC, means like AC multiplied by 3 of the length, then you get AB, means that AB should be longer. Okay, and now it's like A and B internally. So internally into C. So AB, this one is equal to 3AC. So what do you get? 3 is here. 3 is here. So this one to this one, you would get this one over here, AB to AC. Okay, but what do you really want? You want AC to CB. If that's the case, then it should be 1 to 2. Okay, because what? Here AB is 3 units. AC is only 1 unit. So that's why. So you can write it as 1, 2. So that's what you want here, 1 to 2. So I write down for you here, C to CB is equal to 1 to 2. Okay, hence you do this cross to this side, 8 times 1, 2 times H divided by 3, which is the sum of these two, you get 14 over 3. Then solve for it, H will be equal to 3. Okay, now you need to find K. Same thing I do for the other coordinate, the y coordinate. Cross over to the other side, then you get this one, divided by 3 is equal to 5. So solve for this, K is 11. Okay, just look at the answer and see whether you are fine with this one or not. Okay, how do you get this? Look at how this one is saying, okay, then you should be able to get it. Okay, very important, not all the time, you need to know where is B, where is C. It could be A, B, C, it could be A, B, and C. Okay, depends on the question how it says. Okay, all right, we have one more question here. So the points P, T to 2T, T to T, 2AB, and 2ACB, 3B are on a straight line. Q divides PR internally in ratio 1 to 4. Show that B is equal to 8. So this is very clear. It's given by this. This is 1, this is 4, 1 here, 4 here. Then do the crossway, then you get 2a is equal to that one, and then t is equal to 2a. Okay, we get t. We don't get directly this relationship first because here there's no t, right? And for each coordinate, you see here, this coordinate consists of a and t. Then this coordinate consists of b and t. So the relationship that you want to find is something about a and b. So no t. So meaning that you have to use the first coordinate, get the t, then sub it back to the y coordinate, and the t is sub it away. Then you will eliminate the t, and what is left is only a and b. Okay, this is the y coordinate. Got this one, and then answer will be this, and that's what you want to show. That's what you want to show. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you.